Yung puti na yan ang dyan tumutulo. Yan ang rubber. Tapos ginigilitan yan guys, tawag nila tapping. Tapping, yan. Yan na ang ready for delivery. Yan, nagpa-preserve yan. Ayan, ready na yan. Iipunin na yan nila. And then, it will make money.
What
Guys,
do you
so
call
ganyan,
these,
no?
Papa?
We planted this guys way back to 2000 like 16 years ago.
60?
Yeah, 16 years ago when
Wait, 60?
yeah, 16 years
Oh,
ago.
16.
No. Yeah, 16 years ago before I went to Isle of Man. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Can't believe we're gonna come back here when Ashley comes.
All those whites are this one. All these whites are all rubber. Yeah, parang kahoy lang siya guys. Yan, parang kahoy lang siya. Ayan. Uy, may rambutan coconut, no?
Rambutan, where?
Ayan, oh. Pero wala pang bunga. Ayan, oh.
We have our own rambutan tree, I think.
Yan, hanggang dyan pa yan sa atin eh. Yan, oh. Saan yung avocado? May avocado dito eh.
Have avocado here.
Ayun, sa taas avocado. Ayun.
Someone lives here?
Ayun guys, oh, yan. Yan ang
Oh,
rubber.
Papa, there it is.
Ano yan?
There's a path.
Dyan doon daan.
Yeah, I think so.
Sila na itong payag. May rambutan na guys, oh. Diyan sila dumaan.
Huh?
Diyan bang daanan?
Yeah. We can come out that way.
Diyan magdaan. Ito yung avocado. Lang bunga. Yan guys, oh.